So you know, my partnership potential.
I don't even know what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm still amazed about the power of this camera. Okay, I look skinny here. Now, what am I gonna say? Okay, actually, I'm getting a little GGSS. I should not be putting all my eggs in one basket. And I think the past couple of months when I decided to be offline and not put a lot of effort into branding and posting more content about my life, myself, and what I do, my work, I kind of realized that I'm not making the best move, one, for myself and for my career. And so, yeah, you know what? Like, I have a couple of boxes. I've actually not set up our Christmas tree yet. My boyfriend and I are contemplating doing this chess moves. Like, who's gonna do it first? He's actually there listening to everything that I'm saying, but he's not responding. He's busy. So we work together. We work in our business together. And okay, even though he's here right now and he's listening to this, I'm the brain of Sikat. And he's totally ignoring me, but that's okay. He's not listening. Anyway, okay. I don't want to make this vlog too long because I just really wanted to share. And okay, hold on. Okay, I'm having ADHD. Let me grab all the packages now. And then let's do some unboxing of the things that I got for the past couple of, maybe a month or two of boxes from brands who I love. And I feel happy because I get to have this experience with them. So yeah. I don't know how to do Vlogmas. I'm not even sure because I'm kind of old now to participate on those kind of content. But I do want to share this. Okay, take two. Dahil naguguluhan ako, ma-atake yung ADHD. Ang dami. China-channel ko yung heart evangelista moment ko dito kasi minsan lang ito mangyari. Baka hindi ko ma-achieve talaga fully yung heart evangelista moment. So, pero okay, better na. Okay, babaan natin na onto yung exposure. Okay, fine. So now, I decided that a low ISO is not meant for me. Okay, anyway. What order shall I begin? I want to say thank you first for a lot of these brands for sending me all these packages because for the past couple of months, I was not really active from social media influencing and I was like getting into this debate and I was just having this discussion with my boyfriend earlier at the Beltline. Getting into this debate about, you know, like my struggle about minimalism, sustainability, but then again, here I am promoting products or showing products, but there are a few good things that I truly do like, okay? So I just received this from Good Molecules that you can buy at Ulta. I believe you can buy at Ulta. I'm not like a big influencer or anything, okay? But I'm happy about getting this kind of gifts. So yes, I'm really happy and excited about that. Anyway, so I got this from Good Molecules. I've tried and they sent me samples before of their toners. Love the simplicity of their product. And they sent me a brightening dark spots bar. Oh, formulated with tranexamic and kojic acid to brighten and improve the appearance of skin discoloration. You know what, guys? Okay, so I'm gonna show this on the screen. For those of you who are not familiar about this kojic and tranexamic, I don't even know how to pronounce the generic term for that, but this is a big active ingredient if you are looking for, and especially I came from the Philippines, kojic acid was such a popular ingredient if you want to like lighten your skin. So there was like a big trend even in the Philippines way back then about skin lightening. So kojic acid was such a big ingredient, especially for the Kojisan brand. And Bello, I believe that brand had that tranexamic as well, and I think it just boosts that whitening effect, and I believe that brightening that they're talking about also lifts your complexion. So there's a possibility that when you use this, your complexion might go 2 shades. So yeah. I want to say thank you to the L'Oreal group for sending me and constantly making me feel special. And I love that about L'Oreal, I guess. I want to say hi to their staff and to the people who I worked with some of their campaigns. So thank you so much for sending me a product to try on. And I've actually had multiple YouTube people. I've bought them myself as well. I love some of their products, especially the face mask. They have this clay mask that I love. So I use it every now and then, especially if I want to like detoxify the pores of my skin. But they came up recently, and I did open this already, but I just wanted to share it to you guys. They did came up, and I know for some reason there's a lot of brightening in the consumer space today. And these are just the two products that I received. It has a lot of that brightening ingredient component. So I think for some reason, maybe this is where the trend of the market is gonna head for the next year. Oh, my marketing brain is kicking in. So I got this papaya plus vitamin C, ginger root, lactic acid from Youth to the People. And lo and behold, for those Filipino audiences that I have out there, so if you guys are familiar with the whitening formula, if you really truly want to like make your shade at least 2 to 3 maximum, yes, I think I'm the right person to ask what are those things that you can do if you are into skin lightening or brightening your skin, which I'm not. I don't advocate for that. I don't necessarily myself obsess about my complexion. I love my skin color, and for a Filipino, I'm not as white, but anyway, that still kind of exists. I did a TikTok about it actually before. But more than anything else, this is the product. And Filipino audience out there, you know that papaya, a big ingredient in the whitening array of products. And so I am not gonna look at my text. Next that I wanted to share as well. So you probably guys are thinking I'm using a lot of products. Yes, I am using a lot of products. If you guys see my beauty room, my vanity room, my boyfriend always tells me we look like a, I don't know, a Bloomingdale's. We do. Oh my gosh, like now he's looking at me and listening to everything that I'm saying, but whatever. So this is from Grown Alchemist, and I'm actually glad that I get to experience their product, their brand. So this is the product, and this is my second time receiving a product in a package from them with this. Eh, di ba? Ang cute ng ano nila. Ang cute ng packaging. Okay, medyo UP siya ng onte, but I love it. 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 Alam nyo guys, wala masyadong nagbibigay sa akin ng gift. Personally. Magtatagalog na ako para hindi niya maintindihan. So, I forgot, kasi in ADHD ako, I forgot to show you guys like how the bottle looks like. So this is the bottle, and this comes at a 300 ml, which I don't mind. So yeah. Oh, for those of you who have been following on my TikTok, I'm a sucker for their hand cream. I've been using their hand cream since I was a flight attendant when I was operating flights and my hands get really dry. They sent me a couple of packages, and this one, oh my gosh, okay, hold on. I think this is the one that has an advent calendar. I'll do this the last one, but this is what they recently sent me that I just opened out of this box. Saglit nga, nahihirapan ako. Paano ko ba ito gagawin? First, I got this set of hand cream. Like I said, I'm a big sucker for hand cream. So now I have different scents. Thank you, L'Occitane team, for doing that. Because even though it came in one box, but inside there's many things. Okay, and I finally was able to do this unboxing dahil I have been really busy the past couple of months and weeks. So I wasn't really prioritizing during this unboxing. But for this, I am obsessed with this cream. I use it all over my hands, my body. Favorite. Oh my gosh, iba na yung ano niya, packaging niya. But when I was a flight attendant, this is shower oil. I don't remember the last time I bought a shower gel. Wala pa ako sa Heart Evangelista level. Actually, takot ako maging Heart Evangelista level. I don't think I'm built and meant for. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Dami. Ano to? Okay. So I'm not gonna open this because it's really cute. I think I can hang this on our Christmas tree. I'm gonna do a vlog too of like hanging the Christmas tree. Yeah. So anyway, guys, for somebody who's like 30, I'm 32 right now. I need a lot of anti-aging. I'm in that time of my life that I'm racing through time. So for those of you brands, companies who are watching this, I can be your guinea pig for anything anti-aging because I'm willing to be your guinea pig for your anti-aging experiments. So yes. You know what? Most of the time, what happens is since I go to the Philippines every now and then, dami kong pasalubong. Puro pasalubong. Because why not? You know, I don't really get to. There are days and there are times that I get before. I used to get overfilled with so much stuff, so much friends, and I'm in this direction of how can I live a minimalist life, which I always struggle with. I don't think it's my strong pursuit. But now is the last, not least, box from, oh my gosh, para na tong dedicated only for L'Occitane. Right, okay, so this is their Citron. So yes, I have a stock now of moisturizers and I'm never gonna run out. I'm not sure if they have L'Occitane in the Philippines. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if they actually have a dedicated store or stall in the Philippines. Sabi, ito palang magsalita like non-stop in front of the camera. Hold on, you know what, guys? Like, this is such a fun experience dahil I'm discovering so much products in this box. And this is another body lotion, so yeah. Babe, oh my gosh, we have like 1 year supply of L'Occitane. Another hand cream. So for those of you who don't know, again, like I want to say this because I actually put hand cream at all of my bags. I always get dry hands and I do want to launch my own hand cream in the future. So I hope you guys support me with my all endeavors since I'm getting into deep in my career. Fancy packaging. So yeah, that's really cute. Oh my gosh, ito na ata yung advent calendar. Talaga. Ito yung advent calendar nila. So, dahil I'm a small creator, this is how much I get. It's been 18 minutes now. Oh my gosh. Ang haba ko na nagdadaldal. I'm not sure if I want to do this unboxing here, but you know what? I'm gonna do this on my Instagram. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I think, but you kind of already have an idea, guys, like what's inside the box for this. But thank you for all the brands and companies who continuously, sees the value in what I do and just letting me shine my personality. So I'm not sure like where this content creation is still gonna lead me because I feel like I suffered over the years being comfortable online and I still like go back and forth about that. But I'm starting to be more comfortable at my own skin, starting to be more comfortable about where the future is going to take me as I dealt with some of my issues with social media and how it impacts my mental health and just overcoming all the challenges in my life moving on forward. And I don't know, I feel like I'm in a better headspace and I feel like I'm better equipped at my age right now how to tackle problems and how to approach problems, and it just really does come with age, I guess. So yeah, anyway, I'm looking forward for a better 2025 since I wanted to start first on YouTube, since at least I can have some level of control. Since I don't know, I get a lot of anxiety on TikTok and I just don't feel like putting myself in that situation and everything. I also don't want to do things because I just want to go viral. And maybe I'm a little bit stuck up in living in that own world, but wish me luck, guys, para sa mga Pilipinong nanonood din dyan. So yeah, I'm in the same shoes as you guys. Like, if I can probably show and share my journey now that I have like 6,000 subscribers and like my algorithm and what you see, the numbers is so low, but I'm okay with that, sometimes. I really am. because I feel like I've been in social media for so long, and I played that views, that likes, engagement, that shares, exposure so much, and I don't know, my experience and how that affects my real life. I don't like it, I guess. Especially when I was younger, how social media became such a double-edged sword in my life and my career, and how that impacted my mental health so much. So I don't necessarily want to go back to this type of being too much out there and then experiencing the repercussion of external factors that is sometimes out of your control, and where there can be actual real people in your life who's going to ruin your life. So yeah, they're out there. So anyway, thanks for watching for my unboxing today and listening to this rant. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next. Please don't forget to subscribe into my channel, and please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts that I'll be linking in the description box down below, and that you'll be also seeing here in the screen. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next. And dinner is about to come, so this time I need to have a little bit of a break. Ano ba yung mga dapat kong i-share, diba? Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye.